How Lily learned to speak English. Lily lived in a small village where most people spoke her native language. She had always wanted to learn English, but she felt nervous. How will I ever speak fluently? She often asked herself. One day, Lily's teacher gave her some advice. Learning a language is like learning to ride a bicycle, the teacher said. At first, it feels hard, but with practice, you will succeed. Start with small steps and don't be afraid of making mistakes. Lily decided to follow her teacher's advice. She made a plan to improve her English step by step. Step 1. Start with common words. Lily began by learning simple, everyday words. She practiced saying things like, hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you. Where is the market? She repeated these sentences every day. When she went to the market, she tried using English with the shopkeeper. Even though she made mistakes, the shopkeeper smiled and helped her. Step 2. Practice speaking every day. Next, Lily started speaking English at home. She talked to herself while doing chores. For example, while cooking, I am cutting the vegetables. While cleaning, I am sweeping the floor. This helped her feel more confident. Her teacher had told her, speak as much as you can. It doesn't matter if no one is listening. The more you practice, the better you will get. Step 3. To improve her vocabulary, Lily started watching English TV shows and listening to songs. She loved a show where a funny man cooked food and taught English. She wrote down new words and tried to use them in sentences. For example, she learned the word delicious. Now, when she ate something tasty, she said, "This is delicious." Step 4. Find a speaking partner. Lily's friend, Aaron, was also learning English. They decided to practice together. They started with simple conversations. Lily, what is your name? My name is Aaron. What is your name? My name is Lily. Nice to meet you. They laughed at their mistakes and corrected each other. Practicing with a friend made learning fun. Step 5. Think in English. One day, Lily's teacher gave her a challenge. Try thinking in English. Don't translate from your native language. For example, if you see a tree, just say tree in your mind, not the word in your language. At first, it was difficult. But soon, Lily started thinking simple thoughts in English, like, it is a sunny day. I need to buy milk. This made speaking English much easier because she didn't have to translate every word. Step 6. Don't fear mistakes. Lily sometimes felt shy when she made mistakes, but her teacher always said, mistakes are good. They show that you are learning. One day, Lily accidentally said, I am cooking the clothes, instead of, I am washing the clothes. Everyone laughed, but she laughed too. She corrected herself and remembered not to make the same mistake again. Step 7. Set goals. Lily set small goals for herself. She decided to learn 5 new words every week and use them in sentences. For example, one week she learned 1. Happy, 2. Family, 3. Beautiful, 4. Read, 5. Friend. She made sentences like, I am happy today. My family is big. This flower is beautiful. After 1 year of practicing every day, Lily could speak English confidently. She was proud of her progress and even helped her younger brother learn. Speaking English isn't so scary, she told him. You just need to try and have fun with it. Lily's story shows that anyone can learn English with practice, patience, and a positive attitude. Tips from Lily's journey. 1. Learn a few words every day. 2. Speak English as much as possible, even to yourself. 3. Watch English shows or listen to English songs. 4. Practice with a friend or teacher. 5. Don't worry about mistakes, they help you learn.